Are you looking for a gaming laptop that suits your budget? Well, the Msi Gf63 is the best choice for you. Hi guys! Today, i-review natin ang bagong budget gaming laptop ng MSI na Msi Gf63 9Sc. The Msi Gf63 9Sc has a wide 15.6 screen, so it is perfect for widescreen gaming if you are on a laptop. However, its screen only has 60Hz refresh rate, so don't expect nakapareho siya ng display ng mga flagship laptops. The build quality of the MSI Gf63 9Sc is made of plastic, so it is not as durable as flagship laptops that comes with a metal body. Kaya kailangan nating mag-ingat and kailangan iwasan na ibagsak yung laptop. I recommend na always use laptop bags or put it on a desk lagi para maiwasan yung mga accident drops. I don't recommend putting this on your lap even though it is called laptop kasi hindi naman natin may iwasan yung mga accident drops, diba? Lalo na plastic yung build quality niya, so it is a bit risky na ipatong siya sa lap. Sa right side ng laptop ay merong 2 headphone jacks, 2 USB 3.0, Ethernet cable, and USB port. And sa left side naman ay meron siyang isa pang USB port, charger port, and vent. And sa likod ay meron siyang another vent and an HDMI port. Let's talk about the internal specs. The Msi Gf63 9Sc comes with a 9th Gen Core i5 CPU. The 9th Gen Core i5 is mostly identical to other Core i7 CPU generations. Pwede siyang i-turbo boost up to 4.10 GHz. So maganda siya for multitasking. Sa GPU naman ay meron siyang Nvidia GeForce GTX 1650 Max-Q with 4GB of RAM. This laptop can run low-end up to some heavy games like GTA 5 smoothly. As you can see, lalaro ko yung PUBG Lite without shatters and without any lags at max settings. I used to run GTA 5 in this laptop before but I recently deleted it kasi wala na akong storage. Speaking of storage, one of the cons of this laptop is meron lang siyang 256 gigs of SSD. But ang kinaibahan ng SSD sa HDD na storage ay mas mabilis at mas smooth ang performance ng laptop. Pero upgradable naman siya and pwede pang maglagay ng HDD for extra storage. So ayun guys, kung bago lang kayo sa channel na to, make sure to like this video and mag-subscribe na rin kayo. Thank you for watching.